Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another tutorial video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can sign up for a banking account at the First Citizens Bank online banking service. So for this, first of all, make sure that you've already downloaded the FCV online banking service app on your mobile device and then open up the application. As you open up the application, you land on the login page. On the lower section, you can see besides the privacy security and between the forgot login ID, there's a sign up button. Tap on the sign up button. After tapping on the sign up button for online banking enrollment, what you can do is you can choose whether you're trying to enroll an individual account or a business account. Here, I'm just going to tap on the individual account. After doing that, what you have to do is you have to enter your social security number in this section, your account number in this section, and then requested login ID in this section. After doing this, tap on the submit button, and then you'll have to enter furthermore credentials, giving the correct information, and make sure that you fill in all of the information. After doing this, eventually your online banking enrollment will get successful. So this is basically how you can sign up. It's quite a simple process, and I hope that I've been able to guide you through it. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, share, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell notification so that you are reminded each time that we come up with a new tutorial video. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I will see you around next time.